So when I power wash an ATV off, I'll go over the outside, and then I'm gonna hit the fenders on the insides, and then I'm gonna go for the differentials, the inside, the engine and everything in there. And then I'll do the outside once again. So let's get to it. Now if you want to get in depth on your cleaning, you can take off that front bumper fascia piece, the skid plate underneath, and that would drop anything that's underneath collected under there. Drop all that out. And then you can just power wash that off separate. Once I go over the outside, I'll hit the outside of these, pull those off. Any big clumps or anything like that, you want to get those out before they're wet because it's easier to get out when they're dry. Before we get this all wet here, is these axles are twisted up here with some grass and stuff. I just want to get rid of that before it gets all nasty. Alright, we've got all the plastics off right now, and we're going to get this cleaned up. Now that I don't have fenders on it, it'll be a lot easier to get in here and get all this junk out of here. So if you're having a hard time cleaning it off, you could just take the fenders off and just wash it out this way. See, we've got some junk up here. Looks like they had a mouse nest. That'll make it a lot easier to clean up. And then once we've got this all clean, we can start putting it all back together once parts show up. So let's go clean this up. Alright, now that we've checked everything over, we've got it washed off, we can pull it into the shop and start tearing into it. Alright guys, that's about it for this video. I'm going to wrap it up here. See if we can go mob some trails with this once we get it going. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe down below so you don't miss it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.